In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your domain with Gmail. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to send and receive emails from your custom domain using Gmail, which is a fantastic way to maintain a professional appearance in your communications. First off, let's head over to Google, open your web browser and type in www.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on this button to sign into your Google account. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one to proceed further. Now with your Google account ready, the next step is to open Gmail. You can do this by looking for the Gmail link typically available in the Google Apps menu, represented by a grid of 9 small squares in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Click on Gmail to go to your Gmail dashboard where you'll be doing most of the setup today. Once you're on your Gmail dashboard, find the settings gear icon, also in the top right part of the screen. This is your gateway to customizing Gmail settings. Click on it, and a drop down menu will appear where you'll want to select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Accounts and Import. This is where you can manage email addresses linked to your account and import emails from other accounts. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here, you'll want to click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address you'd like to add. In this field, type in the email address associated with your domain, something like your name at yourdomain.com. Once you've entered your domain email, follow the prompts to configure the account settings. This might include entering your domain's mail server details and password, so have those details handy. By taking these steps, you'll enable Gmail to handle your domain's emails. This allows for seamless management of all your communications under one roof while maintaining the professional presence that a custom domain bestows. And that's it. You're all set to use your domain with Gmail. Remember, if you encounter any issues, Google's support resources can be helpful references as you go through this process. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.